Kumshi bynta Rakhe ka Aiom Lehkmen Kristmas hakani ka snem arhajar arphulai ka jingpynkhreh ki paidbah kalanang ïaid shakhmat badru kumshi bynta Rakhe kani ka sngi naka liang ka J N Suzuki Mawblei kabadai ka shlem de Thuk Thuk arshaka haka khat nriu tarik Nohprah arhajar arphulai kala Pynlong da ka Jingïaid carol da ki Thuk Thuk kibadai na katei ka Kompeni kabalatip kum ka Christmas carol ride. Ya kani ka Jingïaid carol sdang na Mawblei bat la ïaid lyngba ka Laitumkhrah Dhankheti police Bazaar bat la pynkut biang ha Mawblei. Hakani ka sngi kibalawan banya bynta ki don kumba arphongut ïaid kentup iki badon Thuk Thuk Suzuki bat kiwei bat kibalawan ban bynta lang hakani ka Lehkmen ki kentup yu RJ Zack ubalong uwei na ki Radio Jockey bapau ka jilla haringkat bat ki Nohprah katei ka jaka.
Very impressive. Headed. Shakhmat. Hai tao kamera, hai tao.
A very good morning, and on behalf of J N Suzuki, we welcome you to this gathering, and it's a Christmas caroling, and we hope that this Christmas will bring us joy, and especially will bring us closer to the Suzuki family, and we welcome each and every one of you. And I'm going to start from, I'm going to share with you the route. We're going to start from here, Mawblei, and go towards Laitumkhrah, then Dhankheti, then Bazaar, Civil, IGP, then Police Bazaar. In Pynlong, we're going to halt there, and we're going to have just few activities, interactive sessions as well. And then after that, we're going to proceed to from Dhaba towards Polo, then Golfing. From Golfing towards Nohprah. At Golfing, we're going to have lunch and few activities at Golfing, and after that, we're going to proceed to Nohprah to Mawblei to Morristan bus to Thank Pump, main road. Then from Mawblei petrol pump, we're going to proceed to Garikana, from Garikana towards petrol point towards Civil, and then Bazaar, Dhankheti, St. Edmunds. From Edmunds towards Nohprah, then back here in the showroom. And there are few rules and regulations, so we would like to see things be done in uniform and with respect each and everyone who are here. So we request all riders to kindly follow the van. We're going to have 2 lines of bikes so that will not be a long line, and there will be less add on to the on traffic jams are already there. So just in case for the smooth flow, we would like to have 2 lines of bikes, okay? and there will be the speed limit will be as per the van who is heading the camel. The sledge is over there, and we request the bikers, as we are all here, all of us are mature bikers, so we will know, like you know how to follow the rules and regulations as well, and you know how to ride, and you're all experienced, so I don't think so that we will have to share the basic ethics of riding, like no overtaking and all that. You know the rules, so we respect that. That we need to follow and adhere to these, so that we're gonna have a peaceful and a loving experience, especially in this with this Christmas caroling organized by J N Suzuki.
Suzuki, I am the Kompeni and Badin, whom we call him as Mama. They have put all the efforts on making this happen, this rally, but due to some unavoidable circumstances, they couldn't be here. But I will bring them, especially Kompeni, the few words through WhatsApp. And they are the two wheels of J N Suzuki who have driven this ship for the last 4 years. We are running the 5th year, and it has been successful because of the hard work and their effort. We believe that we'll have a good time with you all. We'll enjoy this ride. We'll start from here, and we'll have different stoppages where we'll brief you about it. And we'll have a good time. We have a special person here with us whom everybody knows, everybody has heard about him. There are many followers, there are many who listen to him in the houses, in our cars. Is none other than RJ Zack. So he will give him a big clap. Okay, about the ride, and he will tell you what are the things that we're going to do. After that, I'm going to tell you how we will proceed.